Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Welcome on back. Today we're going to be opening this white flare ETB. Um, this was gifted to me for my birthday, so we'll see if we get any hits. But welcome back. How y'all doing today? Hope your day is going good so far. I never opened white bolt before or white flare before, so this is going to be new for me. It's a new experience. I have no idea what white flare is. But there we go. It's a white box with the pink art on there. That's cool artwork. I like that artwork. What's new in this expansion? A red Victini and a white Rashirum, huh? Are those are the top chase cards, I assume. There's uh there's all the cards. All right, let's see what we get. Hopefully we get some good stuff. If not, I just do it for the fun of opening packs. Um, the damage dice, poison fire counters. And this one is stuck in here. There we go. All right, there's our 9 packs. The Tornadus. There's the Tornadus promo that comes with it. The sleeves. And of course, more basic energy than you can shake a stick at. This one, I don't need the basic energy. Where did I put the sleeves from the last? Put the sleeves down there. Put the promo card right here. Put the counters back. And we'll move it off to the side and let's get into it, shall we? White Flare. Like I said, I've never opened this before. I started recollecting with, what's it called? Mega Evolutions, moved on to Phantasmal Flames, then started going backwards with like Journey Together, White Flare. Here's a code card. I don't know. I don't know if, yep, it's still the same trick, I guess. The basic energy. Is that Mindfu, Meanfu, Ashawat, Trubbish, the garbage, uh, Herdier, Swabuk, Stoutland, Feral Thorn, Yamisk, Stunfisk, and the Keldeo EX. It's nice, nice, nice. All right, second pack. Yeah, this was gifted to me for my birthday, so it's all good. There's a code card. Basic energy. Got Tepig, Woobat, Scraggy, Shelmet, Stunfisk, Lipard, Axelgore, Lipard, Gigalith. And Gothatelli. What is that even? I don't know. Some of the artwork for these Pokemon, you can't tell what they are. Like if they're spiders, you know, or something else. Code card. Ooh, that one's a shiny energy. What is it? Pignite, Swabloon, Gotherite, Zorua, Charon, Levani, Scrafty. Yeah. Welcome back. I always mispronounce these words and butcher the names. Frillish with shiny Pokeballs on there. I like that. Like I say, don't make fun of me. I never opened White Bolt before. Or white. Why do I keep saying White Bolt? White Flare. It's Black Bolt, White Flare. Got an Oshawott. And a Terrakion. Never seen the shiny energy like that before. Maybe I should try to get a Black Bolt and see what happens, huh? There we go, code card. Nope, that's just regular. Got basic energy. Panseer. Oshawott. Patron. Zuelius. Zebstrike. Brave Bengal. Vanillix. Heatmore. More heat. All right, what's this one? Herdier. See, like Herdier, you could tell that's a doggy. That's a doggy looking one. And the last card was a Samurott. Put this one. Put this one up. Come on. There we go. Put it in the card holder. It's a nice art card, that's for sure. Little Herdier getting comfy on the chair, just like good old doggies do. Get comfortable, jump up on your furniture. All right, on to the next pack. So I have to look into what's the chase cards, what's the good cards for this set. Code card. Got the energy. Move this one out the way here. All right. Litwick. I like Litwick. Little ghost. Ducklet. Deerling. Boldor. What is that? Drovagon. It's beautiful looking dragon. I love dragons. Is that Mineshaw? Galvantula. Scrafty. Woobat. And Veruzian. Parisian, nice, nice. Keep on going. So how y'all doing? You enjoying the show? The shows I've been doing? There we go. There's a code card. Ooh, another shiny energy. Another shiny energy. Nice. I'll take it. Cottony. Plume Fossil. Blitzel. Frillish. Swack. Durant. The Tool Scrapper. What is this one? Mindfu. Mindfu. Vanillite. And the Jellicent EX. The Jellicent EX. Alright. I know those regular EXs, they just go with the, I mean, I'm not trying to master set, because I'm not sure when I'll ever get another white flare. But I know the regular EXs, they're just regular numbered cards. They go in the actual set there. I mean, all the cards go on the set for a master set, but for like just a basic whatever, you know, the basic set, you know, you want the numbers like 1 through however many's in there, you know, that's part of it there. So energy, Vullaby, Vanillish, Lampent. There's another ghost. At least I call them ghosts. They look like ghosts to me, remind me of ghosts. Plume Fossil, Energy Retrieval, Siglith, Lipard, Embor, Swana. What is this? Cofedrius. Cofedrigus. I don't know, man. I'm the butcher of Pokemon names. I think maybe that's what I'll change my name. Change my channel name to Pokemon Name Butcher. The Butcher of Pokemon Names. There's the code card there. Got that basic energy. Zorua. Suwaddle. Duat. Pharaoh Seed. Mind Shao. Watchog. That's weird. The artwork on that, it's like the grass of the forest is bricks. It's pretty cool. Garbodor. Archen. Tool Scrapper. And the Tornadus. Alright, last pack. Last pack luck. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Last pack luck. There you go. There's your code card there. Another shiny energy. This one's water. Sawaddle. Vanillite. Perleon. Lillipup. Durant. Exelgor. Vanillux. Boldor. Patrak. And a Chandelure. Chandelure. There we go. That was my opening up of the white flare. Got a couple shiny energies, and I should have kept it out. We got the Tornadus promo that came with it, and our top hit for this is the herder. But anyways, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you like. If you like what you see here, make sure to subscribe for more notifications for future content, and leave a comment below on how you think I'm doing. Positive, negative comments, it's all good. I like the criticism. You know, helps me build myself into bringing you all some good stuff. But until next time, everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, and we will catch you on the flip side.